Okay, Alicia. What is she doing? Get me some. Okay, wait. She's got flowers. She's yeah.
The victory dance.
Okay, Greg, say hi. Kyle. Alicia, pee in a tree again. Seriously.
I actually have to pee.
Seriously, right here.
Hold my shit.
I will. Hold my shit. Okay, no, for real.
I actually have to go.
Okay. They're turning. Who cares?
It's like porn in some countries.
Alicia peeing.
Alicia is peeing. She's so sad. She's not
right now.
She's not peeing.
Bet you wish you were in.
Greg pretending like he has no idea. Alicia doing her thing.
What am I supposed to do? I actually had to go. I really am a hippie.
Kyle, like amazed.
When I say I'm a fucking hippie, man, I am.
Peeing.
Anyways.
I love pee.
Where's my bed? Where's my printer?
Okay.
I'm gonna go talk to that fucking girl.
Let's go. Yes, let's tell her. What's up? She's gonna be like,
You're getting all of this?
look at Alicia go. Get some more. Seriously. No, she went around the corner. Go.
Fuck you.
No. Do you love it, Kyle?
Good.
Kyle loves it.
I fucking love it. These are the best ones.
See?
All at the same time. They're a fucking good luck. Look at my flowers. They're pretty.
They're so nice.
This is where I tie Jack up when I go have burgers. This guy's up here. Oh, shit.
Greg needs to say hi again. That's his hello. For real. Look at Alicia. She's just like strutting it up the road. She doesn't care. She's just like waiting.
This is my street.
Exactly.
I love fucking these flowers, man. These are my favorite smell.
Lilacs.
My favorite smell. I'm not
They're
even
good.
joking. My favorite fucking smell.
And Kyle, he loves it as well.
Loving it.
Filming us again?
This is what I do. I record nights.
Whole night.
Not the whole night, but like parts of, such as walking to Alicia's place.
Minutes and minutes.
See, look at Alicia's going, okay, video, if there's light, we can get this. Alicia picking everybody's flowers.
I have this.
Wait, when we get in the light, you have to show us what you got. You should have thrown at somebody's car.
Yes.
Oh.
The running person is the guilty one. No one who falls over cars and shit like that. Usually the guilty one.
Okay, and then Alicia's house. This is the end.